Hello, my name is Jenna from Chippewa Falls Public Library, and I'm going to unbox some YA novels and graphic novels with you today. Let's get started. There's a big box of them. Our first one is a magical realism novel called If These Wings Could Fly by Kyra McCauley. Love that cover. Next, we have a highly anticipated graphic novel. Bestseller and award winner Yang comes back with a new graphic novel called Dragon Hoops. Excuse me while I start reading it. Just kidding, I'll let you read it first. I'm really excited about this one. I suppose I can wait a few minutes until, I'm done with this video. The next one is a thriller. When 17-year-old Nora, who is the daughter of a con artist, is taken hostage, every secret that she has kept begins to unravel. Nora in The Girls Ive Been by Tess Sharp is a survivor of abuse. She is someone with street smarts and scars. This is a captivating and dramatic queer-friendly thriller. The Girls Ive Been by Tess Sharp. Next we have the sequel to Darius the Great is Not Okay. I loved Darius the Great is Not Okay. If you watched another one of my unboxing books, I gushed about it, and I'm going to do it again. As somebody who has lived with and struggled with mental health most of my life, this series has really struck home with me. It's just well-rounded and covers not just the struggles of living with mental health, but also how you can live with it day by day and how there's hope on the other side. So it's honest and it's well-rounded, and I'm really excited. I think I'm going to have to listen to this one because I listened to Darius the Great is Not Okay. So I've heard it's just as hilarious and heartfelt and hopeful as the first one. Darius the Great deserves better. And another second book of a series. This is the sequel to the fantasy We Set the Dark on Fire. It's been called Tragic and Heroic, Thrilling, Timely, and Richly Constructed. This one is called We Unleash the Merciless Storm. I love these covers. I haven't read this series yet, but I need to start soon. Here we have another graphic novel by the Jason Reynolds. It's based on the novel of the same title, Long Way Down. The illustrations are fantastic in this one as well. My kid and I have both read it multiple times, and I encourage you to do so as well. I love Jason Reynolds and all of his work. He can do no wrong. Here we have one of the most highly anticipated rom-coms of the early 2021. It's called You Have a Match by Emma Lord. If you are looking to put some summer into your winter, give this rom-com a try. Here we have a prequel. We had a couple sequels. Now it's time for the prequel to The Hate U Give. This one's called Concrete Rose. If you haven't heard of the author Angie Thomas, definitely check her out. Just a couple left. This one is also highly anticipated. It's the companion book to Melissa Albert's books, The Hazelwood and The Night Country. Fans of those books are going to gobble this one up. It's a collection of the fairy tales and the folk tales that those other two books are based around. So she did some world building and took those tales and put them into this collection. If you love Holly Black and magic with a sharp edge, definitely give Melissa Albert's books a try. This one's Tales from the Hinterland. My nerd is going to show. Excuse me for a moment. So I love Claudia Gray, and I'm really excited for her new Star Wars book. She is one of my favorite Star Wars universe authors. This one is called Into the Dark. So there's a whole new section of the Star Wars universe opening up with this High Republic series. I've read a few of them already, and I cannot wait to read this one. You better put it on hold fast, because I think quite a few other nerds like us are going to want to read Into the Dark by Claudia Gray. This series is set far ahead of the Clone Wars series. And last we have an Own Voices title called The Everything I Have Lost. This one is a very quick read. It's written in a diary format by Julia, and it takes place from age 12 to 15. And it's not just a diary. Julia also keeps lists of things that she has lost, including her dad and her home. If you want to put any of these books on hold for you to read and add to your to-be-read pile, you can give us a call or send us an email or visit our online catalog, and you can borrow them from the library. If you have any questions, do definitely reach out. Thanks for watching.